Good morning. I'm Jessie Pios from Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. So today I'm going to take the shading device from the subject code PH8201, that is Physics for Civil Engineering. So after successful completion of the course, the students will be able to recall the thermal performance of the building. So here we can see about the shading device. So what is shading device? It's used for shading purpose. It is an integral component of a window which protects the space from direct sunlight, overheating and glare. Well-designed sun control and shading devices can dramatically reduce the building peak heat gain and cooling requirements. These devices also improve the natural lighting quality of building interiors. So the sun control and shading devices can improve the visual comfort by controlling glare. It leads to the increased satisfaction and productivity. The shading devices can also function as reflectors called the light shelves. Okay, here the reflectors are named as the light shelves. To design of effective shading device will depend on the solar orientation. It is the orientation of sun's angle where the solar radiation is falling over the required object or building of a particular building space, that is open space. The use of sun control and shading devices is an important aspect of many energy efficient building design. The shading device bounces the natural light deep into the building interiors. The shading device is bouncing back the natural light. So it can be classified into two types: internal shading devices and external shading devices. So internal shading device includes the curtains, vertical blinds, can reduce the heat energy passing through a window. The effectiveness of these shading devices depends on their ability to reflect the incoming solar radiation back through the window. Light color dampers or blinds lined with light colors are more effective than the dark color shading. The reason is the light colors will reflect the radiation. So here you can see the curtains. It's commonly used shading device, mostly used in the residential buildings. Then Enitharine blinds. These are the basic slatted blinds made up of metal or plastic, wood or bamboo. Then vertical lowered blinds. It's suitable for many applications in commercial and public buildings where the control of heat, light and glare are concerned. Then roller blinds. These are stiffened polyester mounted on a metal pole and operated with a side chain or spring mechanism. You might have seen it will be operated by a side chain or spring mechanism. Then external shading device. So here these reduce the amount of solar heat passing through a window. So it can be used to reduce the area of glass surface that is actually impacted by the sun's rays. During cooling season, the external window shading is an excellent way to prevent the unwanted solar heat from entering a conditioned space. During cooling seasons, the external window shading is an excellent way to prevent the unwanted heat gain from entering the conditioned space. So you can see the structures here, that is slanted vertical fins and the vertical fins. You might have seen these structures in the buildings. Next, the design of effective shading device will depend on the solar orientation of a particular building, as I said in the beginning. For example, simple fixed overhangs are very effective at shading the south-facing window in the summer when the sun's angle are very high. So it depends upon the area where the building is facing. Okay, it depends upon the south-facing or whether it is facing the direction, which direction, based on that. Then a cathode, here a vertical combination of vertical and horizontal shading elements commonly used in hot climate region because of their high shading efficiencies. You can see the picture here, the cathode pictures. Thank you.